Namaste students. Today we are going to learn linear equation in two variables part 3. Now we are going to see how to draw the graph of two lines whose equations are a pair of equations, that is 3x minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0 and x plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0 on the same graph paper. Find the area of triangle formed by two lines and x-axis. Now we are going to see the solution for the two variables of pairs of linear equation 3x minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. Now in terms of y we are going to find out. So substituting the value of x for this equations, x is equal to 0, and if we are substituting the value of x equal to 0, then 0 minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0, then minus 2y is equal to minus 6, therefore minus minus get cancelled on both sides, y is equal to 6 by 2, y is equal to 3. So when x is 0, the value is of y is 3. Similarly the next one, x is equal to 1, so 3 into 1 minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0, therefore 3 minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0, minus 2y plus 9 equal to 0, minus 2y is equal to minus 9, so minus minus get cancelled and y is equal to 9 by 2, it's nothing but 4.5. So when x is equal to 1, the y value is 4.5. Similarly, the other point, x is equal to 2, 3 into 2 minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. So 6 minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0, minus 2y plus 12 is equal to 0, minus 2y is equal to minus 12, therefore minus minus get cancelled, so y is equal to 12 by 2, which is equal to 6. So when x is equal to 2, the value of y. Now we can form a table and write the values of x and y's for this linear equation. When x is equal to 0, the value of y is 3. When x is equal to 1, the value of y is 4.5, and x is equal to 2, the value is 6. This is for the first linear equation. And the second linear equation, they have given x plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. Now I can write x plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. Similarly, we are going to find the value of y in terms of x. So x is equal to 0 in this equation. X is 0, that is 0 plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. 2y is equal to minus will come plus 6. Y is equal to 6 by 2, which is nothing but 3. So when x is equal to 0, the value of y is 3. Similarly, when x is equal to 1, so 1 plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0, it becomes 2y minus 5, that is minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. So 2y minus 5 is equal to 0, 2y is equal to 5, and y is equal to 5 by 2, which is nothing but 2.5. That means when x is 1, the y value is 2.5. Similarly, for the third value, x is equal to 2, 2 plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0, that becomes 2y plus 2 and minus 6 becomes minus 4, which is equal to 0. 2y is equal to 4 because the minus 4 becomes plus 4. Y is equal to 4 by 2 is equal to 2. When x is equal to 2, the value of y is also 2. So now we can form a table for this linear equation. It becomes x0, y3, x1, y2.5, x2, y also 2. For this two linear equation, we want to plot the graph on the same paper. Shall we plot the graph for this? Now for the equation x 3x minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0, we can form this x is equal to 0, y is. So now we can plot the graph for the two equations. The first equation is 3x minus 2y, 3x minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. For that, x value is 0, 3, 0 comma 3. When x is 0, the y value, this is x, x dash, y, y dash. When x is 0, is 3. So 0 comma 3, it is in this point. And the next one, 1 comma 4.5. This is 0 comma 3 and 1 comma 4.5. 4.5 lies between 4 and 5. So it is here 1 comma 4.5, and similarly 2 comma 6, here it is 2 and 6 is here. So 2 comma 6. So now we can draw the line for this points. Join the lines. So if you join this is 3x minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0, the equation of this straight line. The second line we have to plot in the same graph, that is x plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. For that, 0 comma 3. It is also the same point, 0 comma 3 and 1 comma 2.5. 1, 2.5 lies between 2 and 3. So have to plot over here. This is 2 comma 1 comma 2.5 and similarly 2 comma 2. When x is 2, the y value is also 2. So for this 2 comma 2. Now again join the points and draw the line using scale. So this is the line for the equation x plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. Now we have formed a triangle. As per the question, they have told a two linear equation forms a straight line and it touches the axis of x-axis. So it becomes a triangle. This area becomes the triangle. Now we want to find the area of this triangle. This is the base. We can consider this is A, B and C. This is a triangle ABC. So the base is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Base is 8 units, whereas this is the altitude. This is the altitude of the triangle. That is the height. That is 1, 2 and 3. The height is 3 units. 3 units. We know the triangle's formula. Area of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to half into base into height, which means half into base is 8 into height is 3. We can cancel this. Becomes 4. 4 into 3 is 12 square units or unit square. So therefore the area bounded by this linear equation is triangle and it is 12. Now we can find how to write the linear equations in two variables for the word problems. The cost of a toy horse is same as that of cost of 3 balls. This is the statement given in the question. We want to express this statement as a linear equation in two variables. Also draw its graph. So what is given now? We can assume the cost of a toy horse is equal to rupees X and cost of one ball is equal to rupees Y. According to the condition given in the question, we can write cost of toy horse is same, that is x is equal to same as that of, same means equal to as that of cost of 3 balls. 3 balls, 1 ball is y, 3 balls is 3y. So this is the equation. This is the equation for this question. And now substituting the values of y, and we can find the value of x in this linear equation in two variables. So y is equal to 0 or 1. If we take 1, then x is equal to 3 into 1 is x is equal to 3, that is 1 comma 3. Similarly, y is equal to 2, then x is equal to 3 into 2, x becomes 6, that is 2 comma 6. So here we are writing y value as first, right? So always we have to represent y value in the first. So the ordered pair should be 3 comma 1 and 6 comma 2. Y is equal to 1, then x is equal to 3. Y is equal to 2, x is equal to 6. While writing the ordered pair, you have to write the x value first and y value next. Similarly, y is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 into 3, that becomes x is equal to 9. X is equal to 9. So the ordered pair is 9 comma 3. Now we can form a table of x and y, and x is 3, y is 1, x is 6, y is 2, and x is 9 and y is 3. So using this table, we are going to plot the graph for this equation. First pair, it is 3 comma 1, the value is 3 comma 1, x is 3, the value of y is 1. So we can write 3 comma 1, the point is over here, 3 comma 1. The second pair, the value is 6 comma 2. So when x is 6, the value of y is 2. It's here. It is 6 comma 2. Similarly, the next value is 9 comma 3. When x is 9, it becomes 3. So 9 comma 3. Using these points, we can join the points and draw a straight line. We can see whether it forming a straight line or not. So join these points. If you join these points, even x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Even this is also a 1 point. The value, the equation is x is equal to 3y. So this is the equation and this is the graph for this word problem. Similarly, we have to frame the equation from the question. Now we can go for a homework sums. So listen this sums. Homework sums. Just recap. The linear equations in two variables. Look at the sums and complete in your homework note, in your maths note. Okay. Thank you, students.